Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one clear, high-energy moment in Roblox and plan the vertical 9:16 framing. Capture immediately with Studio or a screen recorder at 60 FPS and 1080x 1920 so motion stays crisp. Make sure audio capture is enabled and mic levels are set so voiceovers won't clip. Once recorded, trim to 1560 seconds and mark the thumbnail frame. You're aiming for instant engagement, so get that action or punchline in the first 2 seconds and save a raw copy for edits. You now refine the clip, trim aggressively to 15-30 seconds and remove any dead air so pacing stays tight. Add readable captions synced to speech, place a 3-4 second hook at the start, and layer punchy, licensed music and minimal sound effects to heighten impact. Once done, color correct and stabilize movement, then apply 1 or 2 jump cuts or a speed ramp to emphasize key moments. Make sure overlays don't block the center where TikTok/YouTube UI appears. You're ready to upload. Export H. 264 MP4, vertical 9:16, then craft a concise title with keywords and include hash shorts in the description. Add a custom thumbnail frame saved earlier, set visibility, and tag Roblox and related terms so discovery improves. If performance lags, test variations, swap thumbnails, rework the first 3 seconds, or shift upload times to peak hours. Also check audio levels and replace music if flagged. These quick A/B tests usually reveal the fix and boost retention fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.